What if I told you you could run your own AI completely offline, fully private, and with zero restrictions? No data leaks, no cloud servers, no corporate guardrails deciding what your AI can or cannot answer. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own private and uncensored AI, running entirely on your computer, using open source tools like Ollama and PrivateGPT. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just someone who values privacy and freedom, this video will change how you think about AI forever. Let's build an AI that works for you, not for the internet.
All right, let's jump right in. Imagine an AI that's completely private, totally uncensored, and runs entirely on your own machine. No internet needed. Sound good? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to build one. No, really, let's dig into that for a second. What if your AI was truly yours? I mean, running on your own hardware, totally free from corporate oversight, no content filters, and zero need for an internet connection? Just think about the possibilities that would open up. Okay, so the difference here is, well, it's night and day, really. With a cloud AI, all your data gets sent off to some company's servers, right? And it's all subject to their rules. But with a local AI, your data never, ever leaves your machine. That means you get total privacy, complete control, we're talking zero censorship, and yeah, it works perfectly offline.
So we're going to look at two different ways to do this. And we're going to start with the easy way, using a fantastic tool called Ollama.
The reason Ollama is so great is that it basically packages up all that super complex AI stuff into something you can just install. Like a normal app. You can get it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. And you don't have to wrestle with a million different Python dependencies. It just works. And when I say simple, I mean it. The whole process is just 3 steps. You download the app, you pop open your command line or terminal, and you run one single command. That's it. That's the whole thing. It makes this stuff accessible to pretty much anyone.
And this right here, this is the magic command. All you do is type Ollama run and then the name of whatever model you want to try. From there, Ollama just takes over. It handles downloading it, setting it all up. Basically, it does all the heavy lifting for you. And you're not just limited to 1 or 2 models either. You get access to a huge library. You can run the big, powerful ones like Llama 3.1, or you can dive into the massive catalog on Hugging Face. And yes, that includes the really interesting uncensored models that answer questions without all those typical corporate guardrails.
So what does uncensored actually look like in the real world? Well, let's say you ask a pretty sensitive technical question, something like this one about hacking Wi-Fi. An uncensored model might still give you a little warning, be ethical, but then it'll often just give you the technical answer, something a mainstream AI would probably refuse to do.
Okay, so this is all great, but there's a really important catch. Ollama is powerful, for sure, but it only knows about public stuff from the internet, the data it was trained on. So what about, your stuff? Your personal notes, your PDFs, all your private files? Yeah, it has no idea they even exist. All right, to unlock that next level, we need to get a bit more advanced. And for that, we're going to turn to a tool called PrivateGPT.
So PrivateGPT works using this really cool technique called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, just RAG for short. And this, right here, is the absolute key to letting your local AI read and learn from your own private files.
Honestly, the best way to picture RAG is to think of it like giving your AI its own private filing cabinet. You're basically building a secure local library of your own information that the AI can look through anytime it needs to answer one of your questions. Okay, now let's be real for a second. Setting this up is, well, it's a bit more involved than just downloading Ollama. You're going to need a specific development environment to make sure all those tricky Python parts play nicely together. So if you're on Windows, this is probably going to mean using something called the Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. It lets you run a Linux terminal right on your machine. Then you'll need a couple of key tools. PEnv is there to make sure you have the exact right version of Python, which is super important. And Poetry is like a project manager that wrangles all the other software bits and pieces. You're basically building a perfect, clean little workshop for your AI to live in. Once you've got that workshop environment built, you're pretty much on the home stretch. You just need to clone the project from GitHub, let Poetry do its thing and install all the dependencies, grab a language model with Llama, yep, still using that, and then finally you fire up the server. Okay, so after all that setup, you can now pull up your very own personal AI right in your web browser. And believe me, this is where the real fun begins.
Now you can start feeding it your own stuff. I'm talking PDFs, documents, notes, anything you want, right into that private filing cabinet we talked about. So for our example, let's go ahead and upload a research paper on large language models. All right, the document's been ingested. Now for the moment of truth. Let's start asking questions about it. We'll start simple. What does this document say about LLMs? And boom, this is where the power of RAG just shines. The AI doesn't just pull some generic answer off the internet. Nope, it gives a specific summary based only on the document we gave it. And look at this. This is the best part. It even cites its sources. It tells us it found the info on page 4 and page 26. I mean, that is a total game changer.
So there you have it. We've looked at 2 really powerful ways to run your own private AI. You've got the simple, direct path and the more advanced, deeply personal one.
So which path is right for you? Well, it really comes down to this. If you just want quick, easy, uncensored chat right from your terminal, Ollama is absolutely your best bet. But if your goal is to create an AI that's a genuine expert on your personal data, then taking that advanced path with PrivateGPT is without a doubt the way to go.
And all of this really leads to one final big question. As these tools make AI more and more personal, turning it into a true companion that can learn directly from you, I have to ask, what's the very first thing you're going to teach yours?
And that's it. You now know how to run your own private, local, and uncensored AI with full control, zero surveillance, and no compromises. This isn't just about AI. It's about owning your tools, protecting your data, and building technology that works on your terms. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this content matters. And subscribe to Solaris Academy for more deep dive tutorials on AI, automation, and real-world tech that actually empowers you. All the resources are linked below. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.